I want to talk today about what to do if you lose your job. I know with all that's going on that there's a lot of layoffs and there's terminations and there's uh, different people are dealing with this that have never had to deal with this in their life. So I want to talk to you about um, what to do if you lose your job. This is on our website, www.aaronlawfirm.com, under blogs, under what to do um, if you lose your job. First thing you do is you apply for your unemployment benefits. And this is very important. The state of Alabama is very backed up right now. And it is important that you apply now because they go back to the date of when you applied as far as when they start paying you. Two ways to do that in Alabama. The first one is you go to www.labor.alabama.gov, or you can call 1-866-376-8255. That's 1-866-376-8255. If you call, be prepared to wait. It's a long wait on the phone, so it's best to start online. If you go online, you click unemployment and then file new claim under the drop-down menu and start the process. It is important that you finish the process and you get a confirmation number. Keep the confirmation number. You should get an email with the confirmation number, but I would recommend that you print out a confirmation at the end, or at least write down a confirmation number. It is taking some time to get checks out, so keep checking back on their online database, and also you can do your weekly reports once your case is up there that you're required to. You can do that either by online or by phone, but I would recommend doing it online. The second thing is you got to take a look at your cash flow. And what I recommend is that you pull your checking accounts, and that means both you and if your spouses, and your savings account. Pull those statements the last 3 months and look and see what is coming out that is automatic withdrawals. ACH debits, um, you'll see them as they'll have a company name or something like that. Circle those, find out what they are, see if that's something you can do without. Once you've done that, then go and call each of these companies and get a live person on the phone and cancel that. Ask if there's any penalties or anything that is required if you cancel it. Get a confirmation number from them, and then take that and then go to your bank. Take those statements, highlight the ones that you've stopped, go to the bank and ask your bank to stop those payments to those companies. The reason we do that is because a lot of companies will tell you, oh yeah, we stopped it, but they don't stop the automatic withdrawal. And before you know it, there's a substantial amount of money coming out, and then you're working trying to recover it, which you're not going to be able to recover in any time soon. So it's best to take that third step and then to stop that through your bank. The second thing we look at are credit cards. Most of the credit card companies have what are called forbearance agreements, or agreements where they will not ding you right now on your credit report for not paying as long as you make an agreement with them. What I recommend is before you call your credit card company, you do two things. First of all, you determine if you can make the minimum payment. The second is go to their website and look and see what forbearance programs or coronavirus programs they have. Look at those, know about those before you call the credit card company. Reason why I said make sure that you can do the minimum payment is if you call the credit card company and if you get in one of these programs, they're going to shut down that credit card. You're not going to be able to use that credit card until the period is over and you resume paying. So it may be best for you cash flow wise to see if you make the minimum payment, and that gives you access to that credit card. The third one is your rent or your mortgage. If you're renting, go talk to your landlord. They, right now, the state of Alabama is not allowing any evictions. But the problem with that is once they release that order, then if you have not talked to your landlord and you owe a lot of money, they can come to you and say, okay, you gotta either pay all this money or I'm gonna evict you. So I recommend right now, you go to your landlord, you go talk to them, and come to some kind of agreement where either you're going to pay a little bit, or once you get a job or after a certain period of time that you are able to make an extra payment above and beyond your rent to catch it up. Mortgage companies, what I recommend is that first of all, you go to their website, you look and see what kind of programs they have, forbearance programs. The mortgages that are government backed all have some form of program that they are required to have for the coronavirus that is a form of forbearance agreement, which basically will either put the payments at the end that you miss at the end of the mortgage period, which just means it extends the time that you have to pay your mortgage, or they have an agreement where you pay extra once this is over. If you talk to your mortgage company and you get on the forbearance agreement, make sure you get some documentation as to that. If they send you documentation, you need to read it and make sure that there's nothing, that you're not waiving any rights or anything like that. One of the things that you need to be aware is most forbearance agreements say if you don't honor the agreements, if you don't make the payment, the initial payment, once the forbearance period is stopped, that they will be able to foreclose. Right now in the state of Alabama, you cannot foreclose on any residential properties, and also the federal government, if it's a governmental backed residential mortgage, they cannot foreclose those also. So be aware of that, but it's very important that you talk to your mortgage company, you talk to your landlord, and come up with some kind of agreement. Like I said, I know things are tight right now, but take some time, work on this, and it will help you through this process. Most important thing is that you go and apply for your unemployment benefits as soon as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 205-685-8383, or you can reach me at johnaaron@aaronlawfirm.com. All this information is on our website at aaronlawfirm.com under the blog section on what to do if you lose your job.